Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to put oil in your Nissan Altima, easy method. Turn the engine off and let it cool for at least 10 minutes to avoid burns. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Open the hood using the release inside the cabin and prop it securely. Locate the oil filler cap and remove it. Use the dipstick to check current level before adding oil. Put on gloves and eye protection before you begin to protect your hands and eyes. Gather the correct oil type and the right number of quarts for your engine. Place a drip pan under the drain plug and have rags ready for spills. Jack the car if needed, but consult your owner manual for lift points. Work on a flat surface and keep children and pets away from the work area. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. I toss mine in the garage kit because they stay comfy even after greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider subscribing for more easy car tips. Now let's get back to the video. Locate the oil drain plug beneath the engine and position the drain pan to catch oil. Remove the drain plug carefully and let old oil flow out completely. Replace the drain plug and tighten to the specified torque. Remove the oil filter and replace it with a new filter, lubricating the gasket with fresh oil. Add oil slowly through the filler, checking the dipstick until it reaches the full mark without overfilling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.